How to log in to the TikTok website using a QR code from the TikTok app. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to securely sign into your TikTok account on a computer without entering your username or password. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to the TikTok website. On the login page, select the Use QR Code option. A unique QR code will appear on your screen. Now, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're already signed into the account you want to use. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Next, select My QR Code. On the QR code page, tap the scan icon in the top right corner to open the QR code scanner. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once the QR code is recognized, a login confirmation will appear on your phone. Tap Confirm or Login to approve the request. Within a few seconds, you'll be automatically logged into the TikTok website. This is the fastest and most secure way to access your TikTok account on a PC. And that's it. That's how you can log into the TikTok website using a QR code from the TikTok app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.